Okay, I'm back and I'm just here to do a demonstration on the cling stamps. These are new from Stampin' Up. They've totally given an overhaul to the red rubber stamps that you use with your clear blocks. Now, this stuff is really strong. You can see which is the front. That's the side that you're going to see through your your acrylic block. This is the side that it is to the stamp. Now this stuff is really strong, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment. I'm just going to pull the first image out of the red rubber. So we've got this one here, which is the Happy Mother's Day. Now I'm going to peel off the protective backing on the back of the red rubber. Just pop that aside. Now with this, if you look very closely, you can see there's a split of the paper that's protecting the stickiness of the stamp. I'm being very careful because I don't want to get my fingerprint on that. Now with this, you've got to be careful when you're taking them off the stamp, off the clear block, which I will show you in a moment. But this is how you actually put them on. Line them up. I'm just trying to see the best way of doing it, because once they're on, they'll stay on. They won't come off. Okay, so I'm lining that up against the straight edge, and I'm just popping that all the way down. Now I'm giving it a good press. Now before, you used to just be able to go, yep, pull it off. But with this stuff is so strong that if you don't do it carefully, you will end up pulling off the foam from the back of the red rubber. Now that's sticking to my finger. Look, it ain't coming off. And when I stick it in there, even though it's been on my finger, it's not coming off. So you can see just how strong it is. And apparently, if it does lose any of its stick, or it gets fluff or hair or whatever on it, just give it a quick wipe and the sticky will come back. Okay, I'm going to put these on the rest of my red rubber stamps, but I thought I'd just come and give you a quick lesson on this. I will put a link below to show you just how strong these are, and the girl that put it on also advised, actually no, there's two links. One is to show you just how strong this stuff is and how to clean it, and the other is from a girl who says that you can use this extra stuff. You don't throw the sheets out, because even little strips of this on the back of your old red rubber cling stamps or clear stamps will keep it adhered to your block. You'll understand. I'll find the two links and I'll pop them down below for you to have a look at. But I'll go on ahead and stick the rest of these on. I've already done my Beauty Abounds. It's going to be nice working with the images again, because I'll be able to see for almost perfect placement and for straight stamping. Okay, that's enough from me. Bye.